Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and today what we're going to learn is how to use programming to utilize our EV3 robot. First off, we need a EV3 brick and a USB cord. This is the LEGO Mindstorms main page. When we open it, our first step will be to open up the Mindstorms EV3 program, and this will take us to this main screen that you've seen before. When you come into this, you want to press File and also New Project. You will see this loading screen, and just be patient because when you're done, you will see this new screen with the play button. This is basically the start of the program. You will see at the bottom of the screen there are blocks. There's green, orange, yellow, red, blue, and cyan or light blue. And these are different programming blocks that you will use to program your robot. For now, we use this sound block, and you drag it onto the play button. This is able to play sound. You go to the top right white block and LEGO sound files. You can choose whatever you want for this sound block, but for now we are going to use the dog growl or the dog bark. Actually, I'm gonna go for the dog bark. It sounds better. So now that we have chosen dog bark 1, we can connect the USB wire to the brick. But first we want to turn it on. And you can refer to my last video, but this is the way to turn on the EV3 brick. You have to wait for it a bit because it is a bit slow right when you start it. When you hear the sound, it means the brick has successfully turned on. And we want to connect the head of this wire to the PC port of our brick and connect the USB to the USB port of our robot. I'm sorry, to the USB port of our computer. When you have successfully connected this, you will see that the bottom right part of your screen, part of your HUD in your EV3 software in the computer will turn like this. And to download the program, you want to press the download button right here underneath the EV3 logo on the bottom right corner of your screen. And when you hear the sound, that means your program has successfully downloaded into the LEGO brick. After we have downloaded it, we can try it. Due to the fact that we did not name our project, the file on your robot will indeed be named project, and underneath that there will be the program. When you press the middle button, you will hear the program play, which is our dog bark. This means we have succeeded in this program. If we do want to give it a name, we should press File, Save Project As, and name the program whatever you want. So here I will name it My First. Whoop. Actually, just scratch that. And we will call it My First Program and save it. All caps because we're cool like that. After that, we will save it. And we can see that our project is now named myfirstprogram.ev3. After this, we can download it once again, and you will hear the sound, which means it's successfully downloaded. And when we pick up the brick, we can see that it's named My First Program in the brick. It's literally like, that's amazing, crazy, actually like super cool, because now when you try to look for your file, it says My First Program. And you could literally just name this anything you want and have fun with it, guys. Shout out to my mom who edited this, and this was back when I was in 6th grade, and I did not, yeah, my voice was not this deep, but yeah, just have fun with this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And, oh, okay, look at the spin, look at the spin. We got the spin drip. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
We are the generation. We will rise together to sing and shout and praise His holy name. We will take back this corrupted world. We shall